welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I make this Sheabutter cream. Yes, that is the cream I'm using. I've been using it for a while now and I absolutely love it. I mean, it's very nice for your skin. I use it for my hair, I use it for my body, and I really love it. So now I'm going to show you how I make the cream and the other oils that I use for it. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and yeah, please also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, just press that red button so you can get all my notification videos. Anytime I upload, you will get the video. So let's get right to it. Bye. So these are the oils that I'm going to be using now, and I'm going to tell you what I have here. So this one is shea butter, this one is raw shea butter. So, and this one is coconut oil, and I have my olive oil. I like to put more of olive oil because olive oil is very good for your skin and your hair. And I'm going to be using this one also. This one is a black cumin seed oil, but this is written in Dutch, so I got this from our market here. And yeah, I'm going to be adding a small of it. This is very good also. It's very good for hair growth. It's very good for your skin also, especially acne. It's very good. This is a cumin, a black seed oil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get this bowl. You can see it here. Then I keep this at the side. So in this bowl, I'm going to going to add the shea butter because I'm going to melt all this oil. So I'm adding the shea butter, and I add the coconut and olive oil. This is a native natural olive oil, and I'm going to add a little bit of this, like 2 spoons. I don't really need it much. So I'm going to add this tea tree oil. Normally I'm saying it in Dutch because it's written in Dutch. So this is Australian tea tree oil, and I'm going to be using it. But I would like to add it when I melt it. I mean, I'm going to add it when I melt it. So I'm going to melt it now. So now this is the oil. I double boiled it, so it has melted. So what I'm going to do now is to add the tea tree oil. That is this. I'm going to put like 1 drop, 2, 3. That's enough. So what I'm going to do is to wrap it up, and I'm going to place it in a fridge and leave it for up to 1 hour. So to leave it in the fridge for up to 1 hour. So see you guys soon. So this is the oil now. I left it to cool then, so you can see now I'm going to whip it. Remove the cover. Let me see. So I'm going to whip it now. So I'm going to put it in this bag. So because I'll put it in this bag and I'll not put it in this container. This is a glass container. So you can see how creamy this is.